I am going ahead and making sure I'm talking it from A to Z. When I'm shampooing, why am I using that shampoo? I'm not just slathering something on them. I'm trying to be a doctor for their hair, figure out what it is that they need, and go from there. Talking about why you're doing it, what it does, how to use it is key, because if you're not telling them how to use it, it's going to sit under their shelf with the other 20 products they have. So make sure you're doing that. Second of all, is when they have that mask on, their treatment on, whatever I'm doing, I'm running and I'm grabbing every product from shampoo, conditioner down to their styling aid and their finisher. And I'm putting them at the front counter and I'm going up, and they already know about them. They already know how to use them. And I'm sitting there and I'm saying, these are the number two that I think you need. You need shampoo and conditioner. It's our first time being here. And then there's these other styling aids. I have had more than I can put on both of my hands where they have grabbed them all. They say, I love that you tell me why you're doing it. You're not just putting it on my head, you're telling me why. And I show them how to use it, and I ask them, how are you going to style your hair? Because that's going to be key. Is they're not going to buy it unless they're going to use it. Yeah, I try to make sure that I'm posting pictures, which means everybody that I'm coloring and most of my haircuts will get pictures. And I'm not just taking one, I'm taking a bunch and making sure that I'm doing from every angle so it looks correct. It kind of flows, if you notice. And
Yes.
then also, I have something on my story at all times. I've really learned lately that people aren't going on people's pages and looking, they're going through their highlights. They're sitting there bored and clicking through them. So if they see something they like, then they're going to grab them. Well, curls is something that I don't know why, but they just make me happy. And so that's why I have a slideshow for them showing what I can and can't do with different products in different color, and that, show those before and afters are huge. Second of all is, going through their, if they haven't been to the salon before, they can click 22 changes. And I've done a cute little video of like through the salon and what it looks like. Also, the Vivids, going on and showing some of my favorites so they can see quick things. They don't have to search through my pages.